How to calculate Hamster Combat Profit. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to calculate Hamster Combat Profit, and we're going to calculate the profit per hour in Hamster Combat. We'll figure out what you can actually stand to gain once Hamster Combat launches. We're going to use a formula similar to that of NotCoin and apply it to Hamster Combat. We will ignore the hamster tokens as well as the current level you are on in Hamster Combat. Our main focus will be on calculating the profit per hour. Now, looking here where it says profit per hour, I have about 200K profit per hour. Let's take, for instance, you want to calculate the profit per hour here using the formula of NotCoin. To estimate our potential earnings, we're going to use a similar method to calculating profit in other crypto games. Let's take a hypothetical profit per hour of 2 million as an example. So first, go to your calculator, just like this. On your calculator, type in your profit per hour. Let's take 2 million as an example. The next step is to divide this by 1,000. When divided by 1,000, you will get 1,200. Once you divide it just like this. The next step is find the price of the hamster coin in relation to a stable coin like USDT. We will use the bit price of the pre-launch token in Bybit. So, we're going to go to the Bybit app. On your Bybit app, click on More right here. Then head over to Pre-Market Trading. Choose HMSTR. Looking here, the last traded price is 0.21 USDT and the flow price is 0.001 USDT. Let's go ahead and multiply our result by 0.001 USDT, which is the flow price. Head over to the calculator, now multiply it by 0.001. Looking here, you will see our result. Here we have 1.2 USDT. You can stand to get 1.2 USDT if your profit per hour is just 2 million. This is a presumption and not the actual amount you can gain once Hamster Combat launches, because the price on the pre-sale market is much lower than what it will actually be. This is just an estimation to help you calculate your profit per hour and know what you might stand to gain once Hamster Combat launches. And this is how to calculate Hamster Combat Profit. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.